Allows complete remote monitoring and control of PowerVerter inverter, PV-Series, or inverter, charger, RV, APS and EMS-Series, up to 50 feet away. One-touch switch between inverter modes. Master override capability for complete control. Heavy-duty metal construction with LEDs to indicate battery level and inverter mode at a glance. Top reviews from the United States. Yes, the $100 is difficult to pay, however you get a full remote control. Yes, complete on-off. The cover plate is large and a good size cutout is required for flush mount. The faceplate is reversible for your application. And you get layover stickers. I waited months to purchase, yes, I was being cheap. Now I am very glad I added it.